Greetings, everyone. We are excited to introduce Empower Grid, our mobile application designed to facilitate the adoption and management of renewable energy solutions for both off-grid communities and traditional households or small businesses looking to transition to renewable energy. Next.
Many regions and households face unreliable electricity, and even those with reliable access seek sustainable alternatives to reduce their carbon footprint. Our goal is to address these needs by offering a seamless transition to renewable energy. Next, please.
Here's a sneak peek of Empower Grid in action. This snippet showcases how our app provides real-time data on energy generation, consumption, and battery storage levels, enabling users to manage their energy efficiently whether they are off-grid or simply looking to optimize their energy use. Next slide.
The goal of Empower Grid is to empower households, small businesses, and off-grid communities with reliable, renewable energy solutions, while facilitating smooth transaction and maintenance through our platform. Next.
Our marketing strategy includes targeted online ads, community workshops, and partnership with NGOs and local government. To encourage word of mouth, we offer referral incentives and focus on delivering exceptional user experience. Moreover, we will generate income through in-app purchases, subscription fees, and transaction fees from the marketplace. Next.
Our value proposition lies in providing an all-in-one solution for renewable energy management, from real-time monitoring to a community marketplace and personalized solar recommendations. Next.
Empower Grid features an energy monitoring dashboard, a community marketplace, and an educational section. The dashboard provides real-time energy data. The marketplace allows buying, selling, and exchanging equipment, and the educational section offers resources on renewable energy. Next slide, please.
Our user-friendly menu makes navigation simple. Users can easily access different sections of the app with just a few taps. Next slide.
Empower Grid is designed to be intuitive and accessible, ensuring that even those with limited tech experience can benefit. Its comprehensive features make it highly marketable to households, small businesses, and off-grid communities alike. Next.
Now let's watch a brief demonstration of Empower Grid in action.
For further information, you can visit the site live at GitHub Empower Grid or contact us at 2022 11495 at fit.edu.ph. We're happy to answer any questions and provide additional details.
Thank you for your time and attention. Empower Grid is committed to making a difference in renewable energy adoption for all users.
We believe that through innovative technology and seamless transactions, we can help everyone transition to renewable energy smoothly.
We appreciate your interest and look forward to any question you may have.
Thank you.